When I look back honestly, I grew up in a household, and I have to say it was a loving household. But nonetheless, the people who were responsible for my well-being and care were always on a diet, always commenting on their bodies or someone else's. That thinner meant better and better meant worthy. At least that was how I interpreted. And by the time I was a teenager, I had really deeply absorbed that belief as fact. Didn't question it, I just internalized it, restricting, comparing, measuring my value by the size of my pants. And what's heartbreaking is that I genuinely believed the most important project I had was making myself smaller. And that's what's so insidious about diet culture. It doesn't announce itself. It just becomes the water you swim in until one day you're exhausted and certainly not at peace. And you finally have to ask, who told me that this was true?